Having the victim mindset is the most pathetic mindset to have of them all. Also, closing opportunities to help you to become better. Imagine the victim affects mindset combined together. Door opportunities will open at all. Now, how to change your mindset is to see yourself as a victor, have abundance mindset, see only opportunities instead of obstacles, avoid negative people and bad information on the internet. Figure out what you want in general, both personally and professionally. What do you want in life? What lifestyle you want? Do you want being a businessman or businesswoman? Or maybe a regular 9 to 5? What about freelance? Maybe trade school? It's up to you to think about. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and find it valuable and educational. Have a good day.